In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for BarEye Complete, which is BarEye's self-service complete inventory system for $150 a month or $120 a month when you prepay annually. So from the main BarEye website, go ahead in the top right and click on Login, which will take you to the entry page for the actual application. Go ahead and click on Create New Account, and that will take you to a series of options here. And go ahead and click BarEye Complete, $150 a month. And for those of you who wish to receive the 20% discount, you can click here and sign up for the entire year, and then click Continue, which will bring you to this page where you're required to enter your email, a secure password, basic information, and then don't click anything in here, otherwise it's going to make you click in the whole form. That works fine, but you can do that also when you actually purchase your equipment. So anyway, go ahead and click Continue, which will bring you to this screen. It will confirm the package you're paying for. You've got the last chance offer to sign up for the annual discount, and then again go and fill in your payment information. When you click on the terms and conditions, it will allow you to read the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, very exciting, go ahead and click Get Started, and you will receive an email to your address to verify the account. This is what your email will look like, and simply if you click the red button, that will verify your account and then prompt you to sign in and bring you to this screen. Go ahead and use the same details to sign in, which will land you on this screen, and you can just get started by clicking on one of these buttons to play, but honestly I would suggest you say I will do that later, and then you can follow the rest of the videos. Now you have an account inside the software, and you can go ahead and set up start by setting up your zones and watch the other videos. But that's how to sign up for BarEye Complete and the steps to follow. Hope you find this useful, and please watch the rest of the videos to follow the next steps to get your account set up and implemented. Thank you.